So here is a quick video to show how you can submit your tasks using the MOOC-CA Chrome extension and the MOOC-CA server. So first thing is you open this guide, the MOOC-CA user guide. The link will be available in the web forum. So there are two requirements to this whole process. You need a Google Chrome web browser, and you need to be a member of the WLCG lightweight site Google forum. Uh, so once that's done, you need to sign in into Google Chrome with the same email address with which you've joined the web forum. So once that is done, you will be able to go to the Chrome Web Store and install the MOOC-CA WLCG Chrome extension, and just click Add Extension. So the extension is added. You'll notice that you have like a coffee icon, which is dulled out for now. So the next thing we gotta do is like head to configure the Chrome extension. So you go to the settings and more tools and extensions to open the extensions which are available in Chrome. You try to find out yeah, this is the one, the MOOC-CA Chrome extension. Click on details and click on this pop-out icon for extension options, and these are the details which we need to fill. uh, Here's this, I've provided a small table with the expected values of different parameters. So the task submission URL, you can just copy paste the values from here for authorization endpoint and token endpoint as well. So one thing you got to make sure is that this backslash in the end is always present. If you delete it, there will be some problem like finding this endpoint on the server. So just make sure, especially in this OAuth2 clients section, any URL you provide has like a trailing backslash present. So the next thing we're going to do is like copy this redirect URL, which we're going to use to register our OAuth client, and then we can just like save the settings for now. And now we gotta head to the registration form on the server, where we're gonna create a new applicant. So in this case, I'll just create one for myself. So now I should have got an email from wlcglightweightsites@gmail.com with a activation link, and I just click here. Now my account is activated. So if I click on my username here, I head to my profile. Now in the OAuth2 app section, I have to register a new app. Let's call this Chrome extension. You can call it anything you want. We are mostly interested in the client ID and client secret over here. The client type should be confidential, and authorization grant type is authorization code. Now remember, we copied the redirect URL from the Chrome extension configuration. We gotta paste it at the redirect URLs of the server. Again, make sure that you have like this trailing backslash present. So next thing I'm gonna do is copy the client ID and put it in the Chrome extension settings, and same for the client secret. Cool. So now I basically have a Chrome extension. I basically have like a OAuth a third party application which will use which is actually my Chrome extension, which uses the following client ID and client secret on my behalf to make submissions for the tasks. So once I've added like the customer ID or the client ID and the client secret into the Chrome extension options page, I can save it and then I open it again because it's time to generate a new token. So now I just click get new token. I will be asked to log in. Uh, so I'll just use the details, login credentials I used to register account on my on the Mocha server. Then you have to authorize the Chrome extension to be able to like get the token. And here it is. So now you have the token. Just save the settings, and now basically you can start submitting. Like the configuration part is done, and you can start submitting your tasks. So this Chrome extension will always be dulled out except for the progress pages or the results pages of the different courses that we specified in the forum. So for example, if I go to the introduction to Linux link here, it will redirect me to the progress page. And here the extension is active. So because I've already generated a token, I can now submit the task, which is basically a snapshot of this progress page. So I click submit. Just a second. So that was the error. Yeah. Now if I click submit, I should get the submitted ribbon with a green background. So now if I go back to my profile page, which is here, I should be able to see the task I submitted. Yeah. And we just gotta open, like repeat this process for the courses you wish to submit. And yeah, that's about it. So this document describes all the steps in more details. The error that we saw was because I have to update the URL here in the server section. So instead of amazonaws.com/API/submit, it has to be amazonaws.com/evaluator/API/submit. And I'll make the change and everything should work.